We, as humans, react to almost the same things. We are emotional beings, and we have more or less the same triggers. The golden rule of marketing is that we are always selling a dream, a feeling, an emotion, or a solution to a problem. We are not selling an actual physical product. Well, we do, but it's not about the product. It's about how you will feel when you'll buy the product, how you will feel as a customer wearing my clothing. Through branding, through your message, you tell your audience, you tell your potential customer, how will they feel when wearing your product, when using your product, using your service. For example, I tell my customers that they will feel empowered. They will brighten up the world. They will brighten up their life. They will feel comfortable yet powerful and daring and beautiful and glorious. And this is what I'm selling. I'm selling empowerment. Create a visual identity. If you have established already the core of your brand, your audience, your competitors, and who your brand is, now, only now, you can create the visual identity of your brand, starting with the logo, continuing with the color scheme, the fonts, and all these visual things. The logo can be as simple as possible, like think of Apple and the bite, or more complex. If you have a fashion brand or you have like a futuristic app, find the voice of your brand. All these exercises will help you find the voice of your brand, and this is just as important as the visual identity of your brand. Never forget that you are addressing to an actual person, so you don't need a very cold voice because you are addressing to someone else. There is another person, just like I am addressing to you now, and I put a lot of passion and soul in what I'm saying. Imagine if I would talk just like a robot.
Thank you for watching my Etsy course. I am here to teach you how to become a successful.
No, the world is no longer like that. We have blood in our veins. You need to show that. Don't be afraid to show the life that you have, the fire that burns in you, the passion that you have. Translate, take that passion and put it out there. Take that passion and give it to the audience. Take your energy and give it to the audience because they feel that and they want that. They need that. You need to have life in the voice of your brand. Always consider the human touch in every little thing that you do, every detail. You are talking to another person, and that person needs to feel you, needs to hear your voice. And in order to listen to you, you need to have a voice, a powerful voice, a strong voice, a real voice, a raw voice, an honest voice. You need to tell them the truth. Only the truth will guarantee your success. Choose the face of your brand. Know what is that emotion that you want to sell. What is the feeling? How will your customer feel after using your product or wearing your product? This has to be your message. You will feel empowered. You will feel amazing, you will feel beautiful, you will feel glorious, you will feel young again. You will conquer the world. Give a girl the right shoes and she'll conquer the world. This is what you need to tell to your audience. This is branding. When we add a face to this feeling, then the potential customer or the customer will connect easier to you and your brand. No matter if it is a model, an influencer, a mascot, a cartoon, yourself or someone from your team, your brand needs a recognizable image in time. Find the personality of your brand. This is linked in many ways with all the previous things that we have discussed so far. But this goes beyond images and text. This is the actual feeling that your brand projects.
Wow!
Do you know, those very optimistic people, full of light and joy that just shine. They enter a room and everything starts glowing around themselves, and you get that warm, cozy, nice feeling when you are next to them. Well, this is exactly what you need to create with your brand. You can't put your finger on just one quality or aspect to say this is what makes them so radiant, yet they instantly light up a room and make you feel good. You will not build this right away. This happens in time. But think about it. How would you like to make people feel? Focus on building a community. This is the key to all great branding. Most people just want to sell and they really forget about anything else. They lack in delivering a story, sending out a message, and building a community, which is the essence in time. We would be nothing without our fans, our followers, subscribers, community, customers, visitors, potential customers. That is why your community is one of the most important things that you need to focus on. I have created this in time, and now every time that I interact with my audience, I always remind them how grateful and honored I am that they are part of my TXO world. I always say to them that it's so good to have you here, it's so good that you are a true TXO girl and you're part of my TXO world, and I'm so thankful for my TXO community. We stand together and we brighten up the world, and we empower and inspire, and we are colorful and bright and daring. So this is really, really important because this will make them feel really special.
Thank you so much for watching until the end. Hope this will help you develop your brand. Don't forget to subscribe for more entrepreneur talk, inspiration, and empowerment. See you soon and wish you a very productive and creative day.